Everyone's gritted.
Okay, we're at Manicore in the Formula 4 car. Manicore doesn't come up very often. I've driven it before, but I don't remember it. So it's going to take me a little while, I think, to get my eye in. I think I'll get quicker as the race goes on, I hope. I sort of know where it goes, but it has taken me a while in qualifying just to get my eye in. Not sure where I can be flat out and where not. And there's a few challenging sort of left-right corners. And lots of straights. It's a lovely track, actually. It's disappointing it doesn't come up more often. I've really enjoyed the few laps I've done, so I'm hoping I'll have a decent race.
Left side. You're in the middle. Three wide.
Christ almighty, in the middle. Not what I wanted there. Oh dear, okay. Well, we survived that. I don't want to drop too far back. This is sort of like the first really fast left-right. And this corner here, I came down to second, but it felt like I then went around the corner too slow and had to take it too tightly. So I think third is probably better. And then we've got another left-right, which is a bit slower and sort of difficult on the exit. So, and you can't see it either, which makes it a bit harder. That's what I mean by difficult on the exit. And you've got this slow corner here.
There's an incident ahead. Go left. Go right.
Okay, we picked the right side, I think.
Clear.
My head got hit, I think, or hit him. And it's an interesting end to the lap. I imagine that will be easy to crash at. And that guy there, he got a fantastic run, but partly because he took mostly grass.
Still there. Clear on the right.
I tried this flat out in fifth and I just drifted wide. So, let's see. Better in fourth. We're just outside the slipstream, unfortunately. This guy's going to go up the inside.
Right side. Stay on the left. Clear on the right.
Can't quite do the up and under.
There's an incident behind.
He nearly lost it there, didn't he? So there's a bit of a gap in the group, isn't there now? 10th backwards. Well, we're with these two ahead, I think. More or less. Need to get into the 39s as well. Yeah, he takes a lot of curb there, doesn't he, that guy?
42.40.
On the exit, anyway. Don't know if he's getting off tracks or not. Okay, can I keep with them? Maybe I can go around there in fifth. Looks like I'm losing a bit of time. I do have the slipstream, so let's see if that will help us. He braked too late there, didn't they? I think third is the right gear. We have to look back a bit more. I want to keep with them if I can. They seem to be going a bit quicker to me, though.
10 minutes to go.
Okay.
1.196. That was your lap.
My best lap for a while. In the practice I've done. So can we just leave it in 5th? Doesn't make a lot of difference, does it really? Maybe we dropped off the speed too much, I don't know. There's quite a gaggle of cars coming up though. 8th backwards now, by the looks of it. Slower than I'd like to be through that. Made up a bit of time through there though. Will he push that a bit further? Oh, I need to push harder. Nice to be with them.
The car in P3 just set the fastest lap. 39.086.
They're going pretty quick, aren't they? Quicker than us.
41.426.
Yeah. 2 seconds a lap. Yeah, I think 4th may be better. We need to close up if we can. Get it right through there. So I'm starting to get the hang of some of these corners, I think. Oh, turned in a bit early there. Saying that.
You got a slow car on the left. Go right, left side, clear.
It's going to hit me then. No, he didn't. Might help us then. He's still there, isn't he?
1.
Okay, so 4th is better then. A little bit. Closed up a little bit. Sort of with them. Getting better. So this corner I haven't quite got right. I'm not quite sure where the turning point is. Other than I keep missing it. Don't know where it isn't. Okay, well, we're with them now.
To go. The leader is running 39.296.
I got a good run through there, didn't I?
1.12. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Okay, well, this has got to be an opportunity, isn't it? He's going to hug the inside though, isn't he?
Stay on the left. Clear on the right. Right side. Clear.
Bloody hell. That didn't work. Oh dear, that car behind me really went for it, didn't he? And he's still side by side. Crikey. That was the guy that got knocked off, wasn't it, I think? Or thought he got knocked off anyway.
Car on your left. Still there.
Can I get up this guy's inside then?
Still
No. There's no point trying to go side by side through here. I struggle going through on my own, let alone side by side.
Car on
Okay.
Clear.
Well, we got a place. I lost a place. We took a lot of curb then.
2.775.
So, we're back where we were. Right behind this chap.
Left side.
This time, we're up his inside.
Clear.
I'm going to stay on the inside, I think.
Left side. Still there. Hold your line. Clear.
Okay, that worked. Can we make a break and get after this guy? Hey, nearly. Hey.
There's an incident behind.
He's got a damaged wing, the guy behind. So that means I've got a bit of an advantage here. So, can I get after this guy? That may be why he struggles then on that right-hand turn after the start-finish straight. Was he going for it then, was he? I think he was trying to.
41.243.
Yeah, he's drifting wide, like onto the grass there, onto gravel even, because of his broken wing. So that's really helped. Now then, is that it then? I think we're sort of marooned. There's going to only be one more lap after this.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1 second. You've got about 5 laps of fuel.
Okay. No, 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 no. It nearly did it the lap before, didn't it? Blimey.
Left side. Clear. Car on your left. Keep to the right. Clear.
Ah. Right. Ah. Yeah, it's been doing that for like a couple of laps, wasn't it? And I've been just about holding it, but this time didn't work. I do like Magny-Core though.
Last lap.
What's going on? What is going on? What the hell?
53.007.
It's all undone
5.2
through
seconds.
my own stupid mistakes. Oh, is that hot tyres or don't know? It's all going so well. I've undone myself. Guyhead's got a penalty. Which he's now served. Oh, I don't believe it. What a muppet. Yeah, one of the rear tyres are just too hot now. Well, that is frustrating. I was hoping for like a low X count as well, so I could get some safety rating. And now I'm just going to finish nearly last. Oh, unbelievable. Well, it was a good race. I had a good race. I enjoyed it, but what could have been? I feel like I let myself down. I'm going to have to do it again and try and do better, I think. Anyway, let's look at those incidents.
Checkered flag, checkered flag. Better schedule some testing. We'll get them next time.
Yeah, more testing needed. Okay, so we got away okay. Let's just see what happened then in terms of incidents. What's this going to be then? Late braking? Or just a spin? Just a spin? Okay. Oh, and then... Oh, lucky. Oh, yeah, that was us coming through, wasn't it? Oh, dear. He's not going far with that. Now, what have we got? Yeah, this is a really tough corner, this one. Really hard to get right. A lot of time to gain and lose there, I think. What's this going to be then? Just got his braking too late, yeah. Oh, a bit of netcode as well. Now, what's this going to be? Oh, my God. Yeah, just got it wrong. Just got his braking wrong. Once you've got it wrong, that's it. Yeah, yeah. Oi! Yeah. Oh, we saw him do that. Yeah, I mean that was a good overtake, and the guy on the right shouldn't really have turned into him. This is me. All right, guy going off behind. Okay, is that it? Didn't show my incident. Spared my blushes. Okay, let's have a look at the results. And so that was top split out of 2. I did get some safety rating, amazingly. And lost a load of I rating. That's really disappointing. So best lap then, 39 flat, 39.1. So 39 flat is where you need to be. Oh, God. Where did we get to? 41.1. 2 seconds off then. Bit of work to do. I think I can go quicker. I think I can do better. Let myself down massively in that one. So disappointing. So we'd have been up here, wouldn't we, I think? 11th, 12th, that sort of area. But anyway. Happens, doesn't it? I got a bit too confident towards the end, kept pushing, and then it all went wrong. Anyway, if you want to see more of this sort of stuff, hopefully better driving for me in future, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.